Your sleeping position is literally determining how long you'll live. The way you position your body for 8 hours each night is either slowly healing you or gradually destroying your health in ways you never imagined. Tonight, we're ranking every major sleep position from best to worst based on scientific evidence. Let's start with the most popular choice, the fetal position. 40% of people naturally curl up like this. Knees pulled toward the chest, spine curved protectively. It feels safe and comforting, like creating a natural shield around your vital organs. However, this position creates serious problems. When you curl too tightly, you're compressing your diaphragm and restricting lung expansion. This leads to shallow breathing throughout the night, reducing oxygen circulation to your tissues. You wake up tired because your body wasn't getting enough oxygen during sleep. The tight curling also stresses your knee and hip joints for 8 straight hours, potentially causing chronic pain and morning stiffness. But the fetal position has one major advantage. It prevents snoring by keeping your tongue from blocking your airway. The solution is sleeping in a loose fetal position. Keep your legs slightly extended and place a pillow between your knees to maintain proper hip alignment. Next is the log position, lying on your side with arms and legs relatively straight. This position offers incredible benefits for your brain health. While you sleep, your brain shrinks slightly to allow cerebrospinal fluid to wash through and remove toxic waste. Proteins. Research shows side sleeping provides the most efficient system for this crucial brain detoxification process. If you want to wake up with mental clarity and sharp focus, side sleeping is scientifically superior to all other positions. However, the log creates circulation problems. Your shoulder bears your body weight for hours, reducing blood flow and compressing nerves. This causes that strange numbness where your arm feels completely dead when you wake up. There's also the Yearner variation, where you extend your arms forward. This opens your chest more than the log position, relieving shoulder pressure. But it puts tension on the nerve pathways from your neck to your hands. Here's crucial information about side sleeping direction. Your stomach curves naturally to the left. Sleeping on your right side allows stomach acid to leak into your esophagus, causing heartburn. But left side sleeping keeps acid where it belongs, providing relief from digestive issues. Now let's examine back sleeping, the soldier position. You lie flat with arms at sides and legs straight. For spinal health, this position is exceptional. Your head, neck, and spine maintain perfect neutral alignment with no twisting or pressure points. Your face also benefits because it stays free from pillow contact, preventing sleep lines and reducing acne from bacteria transfer. You're protecting both your spine and your appearance simultaneously. But back sleeping creates dangerous airway problems. Gravity pulls your jaw and tongue backward, causing throat tissues to collapse and obstruct breathing. This leads to heavy snoring and potentially dangerous breathing interruptions. For people with sleep apnea, back sleeping can be genuinely hazardous because it dramatically increases the risk of airway blockage. If you're a loud snorer or stop breathing during sleep, this position could be life-threatening. The starfish variation involves spreading your arms and legs wide while on your back. This maximizes heat dissipation making it ideal for people who overheat during sleep. However, keeping arms elevated can compress elbow nerves, causing finger numbness. Finally, we have stomach sleeping, the controversial freefall position. You lie face down with your head turned to one side. Most medical professionals consider this the worst position because it requires extreme neck rotation to breathe. Imagine walking around all day with your head turned 90 degrees. You wouldn't do it. Yet people maintain this position for 8 hours nightly. This extreme rotation strains your vertebral arteries and puts massive stress on your cervical spine. Stomach sleeping also flattens your lower back's natural curve, contributing to chronic back pain and potential spinal problems over time. However, stomach sleeping has one clear advantage. It completely eliminates snoring. Gravity pulls your tongue forward instead of backward, keeping your airway completely clear. For severe snorers who can't tolerate other positions, this might be necessary despite the risks. So, what's the final ranking? Based on scientific evidence, here's how sleep positions rank from best to worst. Number 1. Left side sleeping in the log position. This provides optimal brain detoxification, protects against acid reflux, and maintains reasonable spinal alignment. The key is using proper pillow support and switching sides occasionally to prevent circulation issues. Number 2. Right side sleeping or loose fetal position. These provide good brain cleaning benefits while avoiding most circulation problems. Just be aware that right side sleeping can worsen heartburn for some people. Number 3. Back sleeping for people without breathing issues. If you don't snore or have sleep apnea, this position offers excellent spinal alignment and facial protection. However, it's dangerous for anyone with breathing problems. Number 4. Stomach sleeping. While it eliminates snoring, the extreme neck rotation and spinal stress make it the least healthy long-term choice. Only recommended for severe snorers who've tried everything else. Remember, your body usually knows what works best for you. You naturally avoid positions that cause immediate discomfort. But understanding these rankings helps you make small adjustments for better long-term health. If you're a back sleeper who snores, try placing a pillow under your knees and slightly elevating your head. If you're a stomach sleeper with neck pain, experiment with removing your pillow entirely or sleeping without one. The goal isn't forcing uncomfortable changes, but optimizing your natural preferences. Since you spend 1/3 of your life sleeping, these small adjustments can have massive impacts on your health and longevity. Which position describes you? And will this ranking change how you sleep tonight? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if this information could improve your health, hit that like button to help others discover the hidden impact of their sleeping habits.